How to redeem EMAGINE Rewards. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem EMAGINE Rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To buy tickets online using your rewards, you need to log in on the website of EMAGINE. Please select your show time and seats and then make your way to the payment page. If you have a free reward available and the movie is pass eligible, that reward will pop up on the right hand side of your screen. All that you have to do is hit the apply button. If not, enter the barcode located at the bottom of the ticket and press continue to confirm. If the code that you entered was correct, your code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem EMAGINE Rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.